I know you're wondering why.
Apparently you gotta book an appointment to get this stuff done. Sheesh, how busy is this place? You mind if I record? Can I record? Yeah. All right.
You're doing a YouTube?
Yeah. Oops. Welcome to Hollywood Nails.
Ross, have you met Nancy and Lee before?
No.
This is Ross, this is Nancy and Lee.
I see myself.
Yeah.
Good to meet you. Do you know what kind of color you're getting?
I don't know. I haven't narrowed it down yet. What are you thinking?
Do I have to soak my fingers?
I don't. Lee will tell you what to do.
Okay. Here we go. We're starting with some file thing or whatever. Got to use the other hand. Hold on a second. A nice warm soak to start. Now we're trimming them up a little bit. Left hand first. And we did like was that a cuticle press or whatever? Did you say hello, ma'am? Massage thing is out of this world. Whew, what a great feeling. Amy, you could do this at home, couldn't you? Gonna protect it, like putting a concrete sealer on or something.
Candy. You know the candy? You said that she liked the candy.
I love this candy. Over here?
Felt like I was getting a little lightheaded there. There's a fan. Quick and painless. And only $25. Steal of a deal.
I know you're wondering why. Why did the CovertCrow get a manicure? It's simple. It's simple. If I'm in the field and I don't have the white gloves, then you have to look at my sausage fingers. And why not make them look half decent? Always better to be prepared than to be left looking like you have ratty hands. Special thanks to Lee and Nancy at Hollywood Nails. Great job. Great job. And they're super friendly too. That's my time. It is what it is. Thanks for all the support. I'm Ross. See you on the next one.